is because I've added up all of the potential profits that you'll make from these. So the estimated profit there, like $210 from DraftKings. Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be taking you through a guide to show you how you can make up to $2,500 in just 4 hours doing a sports betting strategy that is not yet widely used in the United States. Yes, this video is for the US only, so I have put that in the title of the video to avoid wasting anyone's time that may be a UK subscriber. Before we get into it though, and I share this strategy with you and the 2 websites that we'll be using to make all this profit with, do check out the Profit Boss US Match Betting Facebook group if you're not yet a member. Of course, I aim to build that group up with lots of different Americans in there from different states that can get helping each other with making money from the sports books. But having said that, getting on the laptop then, the very first website that we're going to be using is Profit Duel. Now, this is the US version of the match betting site that I use to make nearly $50,000 called Odds Monkey. That's the UK version. But this one is just the same as the UK version. So what we're going to do is just scroll down, and here it says sports welcome bonuses. So obviously match betting, where we take advantage of those welcome offers and just basically bet on every outcome to make money no matter what happens. Now it says here 144 offers worth over $41,500. Let's go ahead and click on that to load that up. Now, such a big potential profit claim is a bit misleading here because some of these offers are repeated. Like there you got DraftKings actually repeated 5 times because it's showing you the offer in different states there. So it's not quite all that many thousands of profit. But let's say, for example, you're in the state of Indiana. All you're going to do on this left-hand side in the filter, click on states, and you got, Arizona, Colorado, Illinois. There's Indiana, then you got Iowa, Louisiana, Maryland, Michigan, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Virginia, West Virginia, or Wyoming. So if you're in any of those states, this video is going to be super, super valuable to you. But we'll click on Indiana and then click on refresh now. And with that filter on, you can see there's 9 offers showing, and we can scroll through these. So the reason why this video title is make $2,500 in 4 hours is because I've added up all of the potential profits that you'll make from these. So the estimated profit there, like $210 from DraftKings, take you 25 minutes. There's this bet $20 to get $300 of free bets. Once you've gone through all these, it will take you 4 hours in total and make around $2,500. All you're going to do for each one is click the pink button that says View Offer. That'll take you, of course, to the full guide here. So we'll let that load up for us. And yeah, it just says expected value, $210. The profit is guaranteed there. So it's not like maybe you'll make that, it's guaranteed. It's a difficulty of easy, and as we saw on the previous page, it's going to take 25 minutes. And there's an actual video for this one, so you can watch this 12.5-minute long video here on the Profit Duel site, or you can click on read the guide, and that's going to give you all these step-by-step instructions, which I won't go through on this video because I wanted to keep it short and sweet. If I go through every single instruction there, this is going to end up being a very long video, but you can rest assured going through these guides, you're going to be able to make some serious cash. Now, once you've been through those welcome offers and you made a few $1,000s quite easily, what you then need to do is jump over to another site, which is going to allow you to place bets at the odds in your favor. So you're not going to win every single bet, but as long as you're sticking to the bets that the software provides, it's called value betting, you're betting odds in your favor. So over time, you'll see the money is in your account and not the sportsbook's account. That site is called Rebel Betting, and regular subscribers of the channel will already have seen I've been making videos about this. I've been using Rebel Betting myself, and it has made thousands of dollars in profit. So what we're going to do here, I'm just going to turn on my VPN so my computer thinks I'm in Indiana, and then I'm going to show you how you would find these bets here with bookmakers like Barstool or Bet Rivers and other US sportsbooks like that. So with my VPN on now, I can go ahead and click on this Bet Rivers value bet here, and I wanted to select Bet Rivers because they've got a really cool feature with Rebel. So we can just click on this button here that says bet. That's going to load up Bet Rivers in another tab there. And you can see here, this is an Asian handicap bet on a soccer match. +0 for the team called Elgin City. And we want odds of +220 to give us a value of 7.3%. Now, that's loading up on Bet Rivers here, and what you're going to notice, it says, please wait, we are loading. It's actually going to load up the bet slip with the bet amount in here. So over here on the right hand side, you can see +220, Elgin City +0, wager $10 there, and to win $22, potential payout 32. So literally, you can just click place bet there. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to find the bet. Don't need to put the wagerer or stake amount in. Just click on place bet when that loads up. With that place there, you would come back over to Rebel Betting and then just click this log button here. And what that will do is then load it into your profit tracker. And you can see here all the bets that I've been logging here on my own Rebel Betting. But please do comment below if this is the first time you've heard about match betting, value betting, you're in the US. Let me know what state you're from, because I mentioned that on another video and I found it really interesting seeing where everyone's from. So please do comment that. And tap the like button if you've had your eyes open to anything new in this video. Until next time, though, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.